Welcome to a world where dreams come alive and adventures are just around the corner. Today, we journey to a magical place hidden deep within the dream world, the Crystal Caves. In a mystical, glowing forest where the leaves shimmer like crystals and the sun sets casting a golden light through the trees, lived a curious and brave child named Luna. Luna loved to explore and wore a special necklace given to her by her grandmother, said to have magical powers in the dream world. One night, Luna dreamed of a beautiful cave filled with sparkling crystals of all colors. The crystals glowed, but something was wrong. They were dimming. The cave was losing its light. A wise old owl named Orion appeared and explained that the crystal caves are the heart of all dreams. If the crystals lose their light, the dream world will fade away. Luna must find the lost crystal of light to restore the cave's glow. Luna's journey began as she traveled through enchanting landscapes, a glowing mushroom forest, a river of stars, and a field of floating islands. Each place held a clue that led her closer to the crystal caves. Along the way, Luna met friendly dream creatures who helped her, like a playful firefly named Flicker who lit her path, and a wise turtle named Shelley who knew the way through the dream maze. Luna finally reached the crystal caves, a breathtaking sight with walls covered in glistening crystals. But at the center of the cave, the largest crystal, the crystal of light, was missing. Luna realized that the crystal of light was not lost. It was hidden to protect it from the shadow, a dark force that feeds on fear and doubt. The shadow appeared, trying to stop Luna. But with the help of her new friends and the power of her grandmother's necklace, Luna found the courage to face the shadow. She discovered that the true power of the crystal of light came from believing in herself and the goodness in others.